Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and we're here in beautiful Miami Beach, just outside of the South Beach area. I guess you could consider this somewhat South Beach. We're going to visit Lincoln Road today, which is a main thoroughfare that's pretty much a pedestrian thoroughfare with lots of restaurants and shops. And I used to come here with my family when I was a child, and we used to shop here. This place has been around for years, just like South Beach. So let's take a walk over there and see what's going on Lincoln Road today, shall we? This bustling pedestrian-only promenade is lined with more than 150 shops, restaurants, sidewalk cafes, galleries, and boutiques. From buzzing rooftop restaurants and umbrella-covered sidewalk cafes to chef-driven food halls serving a variety of delicious international cuisines, Lincoln Road is back and dishing up some of the best eats on the beach. On Sundays, visit Lincoln Road's Farmers Market. Visitors will discover a fantastic display of locally grown fruits and vegetables, fresh cut flowers, artisan baked goods, and more. Lincoln Road is a walkable 10-block stretch of great shopping and dining in the heart of South Beach, Miami. This is Captain Morgan. He shows up in all cruise-related videos here on the New York channel. He shows up as a quick flash in the background, including this video. Be the first to spot him and leave a comment below with the timestamp where you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Good luck. Lots of nice cafes here on Lincoln Road, as well as Ocean Drive in South Beach, so it's a little early for lunch, but I'm gonna stop off somewhere eventually. If it's on Lincoln Road, then you'll see it in this video. If it's on Ocean Drive in South Beach, well, you'll see it in that video. But eventually I'm gonna stop off at one of these cafes and get something nice and tropical. Of course, you'll notice lots of stores along Lincoln Road here, but they don't look like themselves because, well, all of these Art Deco buildings are national landmarks. They can't be changed, and they're just simply beautiful, and that's a good thing. Like I said, a little early for lunch. Some of these places are open and have a few patrons, but in about an hour or two, it's going to be a lot busier in these cafes. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys.
Mexican. Now there's an idea. With a margarita.
Hey guys, if you're a fan of the New York channel, check out the new Facebook New York fan page. It's created and maintained by Dan Kraft, also known around here as Real Unc D. I'll leave a link in the description below. Thank you, Dan, so much for your hard work. And that, my New Yorkers, is pretty much it for the Lincoln Road Mall. I remember it fondly as a child, and hasn't really changed much. Obviously the stores have changed. A lot of these stores weren't even conceived of when I was here last. But the mall itself looks pretty much the way it did years ago. It's warm out. I was going to have something to eat at one of these cafes, but I decided to hold off until a little later in the afternoon. I got a lot more videotaping to do, and I don't want to do it on a full stomach. Besides, I'm drinking a lot of water.
went through 1.5 of these already, 1.5 liters since I started about 2 hours ago. This is my second video I'm doing here in South Beach. So I hope you enjoyed Lincoln Road Mall. More to come from South Beach, and of course more to come from the New York channel.
Hey everybody, check out the New York store. There's a link in the description below. Lots of cool New York swag, including t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies. We have teddy bears, coffee mugs, water bottles, stickers, tote bags. You name it, you'll find it at the New York store. Lots of cool swag. Check it out. There's a link in the description below. Thanks so much for visiting. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.